guys to the third episode of the CNC plotter, CNC machine or CNC plotter that we were building. So in the first episode we spoke about the basic builds up or the basic structure of the CNC machine that I've made, and in the second episode we just went through some of the things that you have to concentrate on and all that stuff. So this is the third episode, and we are going to speak in this episode about the electronic components that I've used in the CNC machine. Alright, and there is going to be another episode, that's the fourth episode, and we are going to speak about the G-code executing to the CNC machine, and hopefully by the end of the video, as I said in the previous videos, we will make a drawing with our CNC machine. So let me show you the electronic components briefly, what I've used in this CNC machine. These are the main components that I have used in this CNC machine. So the first one is the Arduino Uno. There are many other things of Arduino, like Arduino Nano and other ones. You don't have to go to that, you have to take an Arduino Uno. The next one is the CNC V3 shield, and then the driver module, the servo motor. You're gonna just need one servo motor, and the fifth one is the steppers. These are motors, stepper motors, and you're gonna need two of them, and then a couple of wires. So all the electronic components of this CNC are held right in this box, okay, except for the two stepper motors. That's one, that's for the x-axis, and two, that's underneath there, and that's for the y-axis. These two steppers and the one servo motor, that's for the z-axis, are out of the box, and all the other electronic components are inside this box. So when you take that out, like that, you can see all the electronic components there. So let's start from the bottom. Now here at the bottom you can see there is an Arduino. See that? It's an Arduino, and by the size you can recognize that it's an Arduino Uno right there. Alright, so what the Arduino does is it has a particular program inside it which will tell every other system connected to it what to do. Alright, so that is the actual function of the Arduino board. It is like the motherboard, it's like the brain. It has the most basic programmings and codes in it. So when you program the Arduino, you have to be really careful. When I make the fourth video on the G-code, we will speak about the code and programming of the Arduino, and there is another video which I'm going to make of detailed information about everything about the Arduino, how to program it, how to write the program. Maybe I'll do that as well. So for now, let's talk about the Arduino just a little bit. So as I said, you need to be very careful when you program it. So after that, connected to the Arduino, you can see the V3 shield right here, the red one, and you can see right there CNC shield. It's upside down, I'm sorry, but you can see right there, right? So this V3 shield is actually used to control these stepper motors and the servo motor. It tells the servo motors and stepper motors when to start and which one to start when. That's the function of the V3 shield that we have here. You don't require to write a program for the V3 shield. It just connects directly to the Arduino board down beneath there, and it combines with the programming that you have already written for the Arduino board. So third on list, I wanted to tell you that you can see here positive and negative wires there. You can see 12 to 36 volts, but you can also see positive and negative wires there. If you reverse those, I mean, like if you connect the positive here and the negative here of the power supply, main power supply, then you are going to meet up with a really great problem, and you are going to actually burn the V3 shield itself. You're gonna burn it, so be careful when you connect